can you cut off a runner to transplant before it has formed roots? Will it still thrive and form roots? In my opinion, in my mind, I figure it has to stay attached to the adult plant until the roots have formed. You can.
You want to wait. The daughter plant is going to have an umbilical cord, and that is going to provide the energy for that daughter plant, which is another strawberry plant. Not all strawberry plants produce runners or daughter plants. So once that daughter plant begins to develop roots, it will attach itself to the soil wherever it's at. And at that point, once it's got roots, you can go ahead and cut that runner or that umbilical cord, for lack of a better term, and then dig that strawberry plant up, that daughter plant, and maneuver it wherever you want. We rebuilt our strawberry bed 10 years ago by just doing that with daughter plants. And we had strawberry plants will last between 5 and 7 years is kind of the peak run of them, and then they really fall off. And we had them in an area where the grasses took over the bed. But for a couple of years, we were getting in the bed, I think the bed we had, about 15 feet wide by about 12, 15 feet long, something like that. We had enough for 2 years that it equated what we would normally go to the pick-your-own-farm to get on strawberries. So you got to wait for the daughter plants to develop roots and then dig them up and maneuver them. What also you can do if you want to, and I've done this and it's worked well, you can find this at our parent website, video of it under the search bar, strawberry runners. You can take party cups or seed trays, and if you see that daughter plant, you can kind of take it and put it over or inside of that party cup, kind of pinch it down with a stick, and it will grow into the party cup or into the seed cell, into the potting mix you've got, and then once it attaches its roots to the soil, go ahead and cut it, and then you can transplant it wherever you want. We built some strawberry patch for your sister by doing that as well.